Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. So in the first step, we need to just go to search bar and type your uh, device manager, then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to simply find out the mouse and other pointing devices. So expand this, then for a particular driver, just right click on it, select properties, then click on drivers. This is drivers tab, then click on update driver, and if you are connected with your internet connection, simply click on search automatically for drivers, so it will install the latest drivers for the particular devices. So after that, close this window. After that, go to search bar, type your task manager and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task and then type here, so click on browse button, and then on this window we need to go to this PC, then go to C drive. After that, open Windows folder, then find out system32 folder, so open it, and here find out cmd.exe file, so here it is, select it and click on open. After that, check this box to create this task with administrative privileges, then click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command. Type here gp update and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process, we need to wait for it. And once done, simply type exit to close this command prompt window, then restart the system and your problem will be solved. You're good to go.